Okay, so I'm walking down the streets of Liberia. It's my first time on my own. I'm going to find the bus. I have no idea where it is. I think it's that way. I don't know. I'll find out. So I'm going to Nicoya, which is a peninsula famous for its beaches and other things. I'm getting some weird looks right now. I'm on a corner. Hey, okay, so I'm in the bus terminal now. It kind of smells a little bit, but that's all right. If you could see, there's a lot of people here. So I have to really take care of myself. Petty theft is a crime around here. I'll show you more. Slightly turned. People are still staring at me. So yeah, that's the bus terminal. The bus gets here at 9 o'clock, and this is my first trip. And I don't speak Spanish that well, so I'm gonna have to try to figure out how I'm gonna do this. I just met this guy from Boston. His name is Justin. He's been in Costa Rica for a while. He lives in LA. Really cool guy. We had this great conversation about what it's like to travel the world and how some Americans don't want to. And we both can't understand why. But yeah, he was an awesome guy, Justin. I hope you found this video, man. You're awesome. I hope I get to see you in 4 months when you come back and we can go to Nicaragua together. Narrando, sí. Izquierda. Sí. In English, we say left. Izquierda, left. Sí.
Left and right.
Left and right, sí. Es correcto. Hi, okay. So I am officially in Barahonda National Park. I took a bus from Liberia, my town, my city, to Nicoya. And then I took a taxi here. It's a national park. I'm going for a hike right now. And that's the entrance right there. They said it's about 2.5 hours round trip. A hike. I had breakfast this morning, but I haven't eaten in about 2 hours. I have a Lara bar from the airport. Lara bar. I think it's like cherry pie or something. I hope it'll keep me going. I have a full container of water. I just sprayed myself with mosquito repellent, which is something I really need. But anyway, I don't know exactly where I'm going, but you know, watch for pictures. See you later. I wonder if I got Wi-Fi here. I'm a little tired. This is what's around me right now. Central American rainforest. Gotta be ready. I sweat, I stink, and I feel like every drop of sweat is a mosquito carrying some kind of virus. But I'm tough. Let's go.